A vacuum leak in a car happens when extra air enters the engine through a crack or hole in the vacuum system. The engine needs the right mix of air and fuel to run smoothly, and a vacuum leak can disturb this balance. There are some symptoms of a vacuum leak in a car. A rough idle happens when your car's engine shakes or vibrates while idling, instead of running smoothly. This usually occurs because extra air is entering the engine through a vacuum leak, disturbing the proper air-fuel mixture. You might notice the engine speed going up and down unevenly. It can make the car feel unstable when stopped at a light or in neutral. Engine hesitation or stumbling happens when your car slows down or jerks while you try to accelerate. This occurs because a vacuum leak disrupts the proper air-fuel mixture in the engine. As a result, the engine struggles to deliver power smoothly. You might feel a brief pause or uneven response when pressing the gas pedal. Poor fuel economy happens when your car uses more gas than usual. A vacuum leak can cause the engine to get too much air, making it burn extra fuel to compensate. This reduces mileage and increases trips to the gas station. Over time, it can also raise running costs and wear out engine components faster. The check engine light may turn on when your car has a vacuum leak. This happens because sensors detect an abnormal air-fuel mixture in the engine. The light signals that the engine is not running efficiently and needs attention. Ignoring it can lead to bigger engine problems over time. Engine misfires occur when one or more cylinders in your car fail to ignite properly. A vacuum leak can cause this by disturbing the correct air-fuel mixture needed for smooth combustion. When misfires happen, the engine may run unevenly, make popping sounds, or shake noticeably. If ignored, frequent misfires can reduce performance, increase fuel consumption, and potentially damage engine components over time. A severe vacuum leak can make the engine stall unexpectedly. This happens because too much air enters the engine, upsetting the proper air-fuel mixture needed for smooth running. The engine may shut down when idling or coming to a stop. Stalling can be dangerous, especially in traffic, and indicates that the vacuum system needs immediate attention. Difficulty starting occurs when your car struggles to turn on or takes longer than usual to start. A vacuum leak lets extra air into the engine, upsetting the air-fuel mixture needed for ignition. As a result, the fuel may not ignite properly. This can make the engine crank longer and feel weak before it finally starts. Unusual exhaust smoke appears when your car's engine is not burning fuel properly. A vacuum leak can cause the air-fuel mixture to become unbalanced, leading to incomplete combustion. This may produce black, gray, or darker smoke from the exhaust. So, by understanding these symptoms, you can identify a vacuum leak in your car.